Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something incredibly exciting for you, a rundown of the top 5 best GPS trackers that are making waves in the market right now. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Without further ado, let the countdown begin. Let's get started at number 5. Tec GL300. The GL300's sleek design makes it perfect for various applications. Whether you want an anti-theft device for your car, a tracker for your kids, or an asset monitor for your trucks, vehicles, boats, or RVs, this little powerhouse has got you covered. What sets the GL300 apart is its 4G Super SIM coverage. It spans across North America and beyond. Forget about boundaries. This is not just an AirTag alternative, it's the ultimate vehicle tracker. Compatible with iOS and Android, the app lets you track your device globally, offering unparalleled peace of mind. Real-time tracking for vehicles is just the beginning. Need to keep tabs on your kids? Want to monitor your teen's driving speed? The GL300 and its supporting app have you covered. Set up geofencing to get alerts when your tracker enters or leaves a specific area, or receive speed notifications for your peace of mind. Number 4. Brickhouse Spark Nano 7. The Spark Nano 7 operates on a lightning-fast 4G LTE network, providing you with complete coverage across North America, from the vast expanses of Canada to the vibrant streets of Mexico and the highways of the United States. With this long-distance car tracker, you can seamlessly track your vehicle across borders, ensuring that critical information is always within your reach. What sets this tracker apart is its discreet nature. The Spark Nano 7, with its magnetic mini tracking device, easily attaches to any vehicle or mobile asset, promising optimal security without drawing attention. It's not just a hidden car GPS tracking device, it's a safeguard against theft, offering peace of mind to vehicle owners. Imagine having a device always ready to locate and recover your valuable asset if the unfortunate event of theft ever occurs. And for those challenging conditions, no worries. The Spark Nano 7 is encased in a waterproof shell, ensuring steadfast attachment even in the face of adverse weather. Suitable for cars, trucks, and motorcycles, this hidden car GPS tracking device does its job quietly and efficiently, doubling as a reliable fleet GPS tracker. Now, let's talk about functionality. Real-time monitoring is the name of the game here. Gain access to real-time and historical reports of speed, geofencing violations, detailed travel logs, and customizable settings, all from any web browser. This isn't just a tracker, it's a comprehensive safety net designed to function seamlessly, just like a conventional GPS tracker tag for cars, no matter where you are. Number 3. Rolling Square AirRone. The AirCard ensures just that, operating seamlessly on Apple's Find My network. Compatible with your iPhone, iPad, or MacBook's Find My Network app, this sleek Bluetooth tracker allows you to locate your wallet anywhere in the world. It's not just a tracker, it's your global wallet locator. Need to find it fast? The AirCard goes beyond the basics. Utilize the Find My app or Siri to prompt your wallet tracker to emit a sound that's not just loud but 20% louder than an AirTag. Whether your wallet is hiding nearby or buried deep in your bag, you'll locate it in no time. But what if you forget your tracker behind? The AirCard has your back. Receive immediate notifications through Apple's Find My app, ensuring you never leave it behind accidentally. And here's a game changer: share your device's position with up to 5 people. Safety and connectivity at its best. But it doesn't stop there. The AirCard isn't just a tracker, it's a digital business card. With a visible QR code and an NFC tag linked to a custom share.it profile, it allows you to create and share your digital identity effortlessly. Connect with your top contacts and share your social media accounts seamlessly. Now, let's talk about engineering marvels. The AirCard is not just slim, it's designed for durability. With a CNC aluminum body, robust 9H glass explosion-proof coatings, RFID protection, and an IPX6 water resistance rating, it combines strength with subtlety without compromising the Bluetooth signal. Plus, it comes with a battery that lasts up to 2.5 years, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Number 2. Optimus 3.0. The Optimus 3.0 GPS tracker, a powerhouse with a 1-month battery life, heavy-duty waterproof case, and powerful magnets designed for both vehicles and assets. Forget the hassle of frequent charging. The Optimus 3.0 is built to last, boasting a battery life that stretches up to 1 month, even when reporting at the default 1-minute update setting. And when we talk about discretion and accuracy, this tracker takes the lead. With a powerful twin magnet case, it ensures your tracking stays covert yet firmly in place. Now, let's talk about affordability. At just $19.95 per month, you get all the features, and here's the kicker: no contract, no hidden fees, and the freedom to cancel anytime. The Optimus 3.0 is not just user-friendly, it's budget-friendly too. Tracking your vehicle, machinery, valuables, or loved ones becomes a breeze with the state-of-the-art tracking software. It's live, and it's easy to use. Set up custom instant alerts through text or email, ensuring you're in the loop at all times. The app is available on both iPhone and Android platforms, making it accessible for everyone. Now, here's a game-changer: customizable position updates. You can set them up to every 10 seconds at no extra cost. It's not just about tracking, it's about having control and information at your fingertips. Number 1. AMERICALOC GL300. Forget the ordinary. Embrace extraordinary battery life and coverage with this GPS tracker. Suitable for vehicles, people, and assets, it comes with a magnetic case, ideal for serious and intensive tracking. The CATM1 technology ensures exceptional battery life and extends coverage to over 180 countries, including the US, Canada, and Mexico. But what sets AMERICALOC apart? It's not just about battery life, it's about detailed maps and super detailed tracking services. Their official apps and website offer a seamless experience, providing configurable text and email notifications for all events, no extra cost. No surprises on your bill, just accurate, up-to-date information at your fingertips. Text and email alerts cover a range of events: movement, park status, speeding, device on/off, low battery, entering or leaving zones, and even the front button press. Forget about trackers with battery life measured in hours. The GL300 boasts weeks and up to a month of battery life. Access real-time tracking and comprehensive tracking history from any device: computer, tablet, or phone. Download the Android or iOS app for on-the-go tracking convenience. And here's the kicker: location updates are available every 60, 30, or even 10 seconds at no extra cost. And there you have it, folks, our roundup of the top 5 best GPS trackers. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in guiding you towards the perfect choice for your needs. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any experience with GPS trackers, or if there's a specific device you think deserves a spot on our list. Make sure to subscribe to stay tuned for more tech reviews, guides, and all things innovation. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay connected and stay teachy. Goodbye.